Yo, what up, Street Talks? There, Kim. All right, so the turbo thought. The turbo thought is this. Maybe the source of our power is certainly something biological. It's this desire and the will to become more, to gain more resources, to augment ourselves, to split and go further. So even if we study amoebas, what does an amoeba do? It assimilates other amoebas, it assimilates nutrition, and it stretches out its feelers towards becoming something bigger. And even if you think about trees are like living organisms, but they just move a lot slower. And so I feel like studying these kind of biological organisms is a good starting point for us to better understand what we desire. So it seems like even us humans, the reason why we have kids is that there's only so much we could do by ourselves, and by being able to procreate, split our genes and our DNA to our kids and make them become more and continue our genes, seems like this is the goal.